let's do lesson 6 of the ABCs of violin. And this is going to cover number 27, 28, 29, and 30. So we are starting to do more reading on the E string. They have a diagram showing you the spacing on our E string: E, F, G sharp, so E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B. When I say my F sharp and G sharp, I'm just going to say F and G for sake of time with my mouth. So E, F, G, A, B. Now they have this little tiny like triangle up there showing you that if there's a half step between the 2 and the 3, that means that your fingers are touching. And it's a good idea to put this in pieces that you tend to forget or need that extra little reminder that those 2 fingers are close together, especially when you get to more advanced pieces that you're playing super fast music or really high, and you don't want to write out all the notes, and there's just a little half step to make sure that they're together. So get comfortable with reading those ledger lines because after this B and we start doing some shifting, there's going to be a lot more ledger lines. And then we have ledger lines on the bottom of the staff for our G string, and we'll get to that in a little bit. So we are then reading up to A for number 27. We're just going to that first ledger line. So E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, rest, and you would repeat after you lift. But we're going to skip that today because we're going to pluck it and then play it. So set your fingers up, open 1, 2, 3, and you can do 4, 2, just then lift your fingers so that they're all right there. 1, 2, ready, pluck. E, F, G, A, G, F, E, F, G, A, rest. Good. Now grab your bow, lift those fingers, just have them hover. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. So it's really important that you spend a long time with this page because you already have the everything else set up. You know how to put your fingers down on the A string, and if you're already doing your scales, then you already know how to put your fingers down on all of the strings. But now we're doing that reading aspect, and it's really easy to pass over reading on the upper part of the staff, and then especially so once we get to the G string. For violin, they neglected the G string until like months and months later after we've mastered everything else. And it's the same thing for viola and cello. They really neglect the C string. So reading all the way at the bottom is really neglected, and we need to spend that time because we're so preoccupied with just making that bow move and having our fingers do the stuff. But we have to have that time where we set aside to devoting to read the E string and the G string. So please don't shirk on this kind of stuff. Good. So now that I've lectured you on that, let's move on to number 28, where we're then including that 4th finger. I want you to set up your fingers each time on the A string and then pull them in to that E string so we can make sure that we're not going kink like that. We're just pulling those fingers in like that. We're having those fingers come in closer to our knuckles and like that sign language E. All right, number 28, let's say it first. 1, 2, ready, say it. E, F, G, A, B, rest, lift. E, F, G, A, B, rest, lift. If you're doing that, repeat. So put 1, 2, 3, 4 on that E string and slightly lift. 1, 2, finger. Oh, we're going to pluck. Sorry. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G, A, B, rest. E, F, G, A, B, rest. Now just lift those fingers, grab that bow. 1, 2, ready, go. E, F, G, A, B, rest, lift. Rest, lift. Awesome. So make sure that you're saying it, plucking it, playing it so that it really gets into your brain. Number 29, they're encouraging you to use that fourth finger so that we're staying on that A string. A, B, C, D, E, rest, lift, E, D, C, B, A, rest, beginning. And you would do that lift as well. So just staying there, A, B, C, D, E, they're doing that fourth finger. So don't crane like that. We're just going to simply bring in that fourth or that elbow to support that fourth finger. So let's pluck it. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, E, rest, rest. E, F, D, D, C, B, A. Oh, I gotta just, did I say it right before? E, A, B, C, D, E, D, C, B, A. All right. E, D, C, B, I got this. Now let's do the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. E, B, C, D, E, rest, lift. Rest, lift. Okay, so now we're not doing any rest in measure or in number 30. A, B, C, D, E, 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 D, C, B, A. And you would have no pause if you were doing the lift. So open 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open, 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 open. Let's pluck. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift. 1, 2, ready, go. A, B, C, D, 4 is E, 3, 4, 1, D, C, B, A. Good. Now with the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4, lift. Ready, go. A, B, C,